Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the fighter coming into the ring, Mark Andrew Antonio.
Diskarte lang at saka hard training lang. Ginagamit ko lang yun sa lahat ng tinuturo ng coach ko. Number 1 yan si Manny Pacquiao. Mayroong lakas at saka bilis talaga. Binabati ko pala ngayon sa amin doon sa Antipas Dolores po na maraming salamat po sa inyo, suporta sa lahat pati sa pamilya ko, mama ko at saka papa ko at sawa ko at saka anak ko. Maraming salamat po. Walang sawang suporta po.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the fighter coming into the ring, Albert Stadium Francisco.
Yung style ko ngayon parang dinagdagan ko pa. Focus ko talaga sa kalaban ko. Sipag lang sa ensayo. Gusto kong maging world champion. Idol si Sir Manny Pacquiao. Pinabati ko pala sa pamilya ko sa Zamboanga City.
Lumas ang walang atin. Nice. Duradulay. Strike, ikaw una. Kita kayo sumbag, kita kayo.
Winner by unanimous decision and the Philippine Boxing Federation flyweight champion, ladies and gentlemen, Albert Francisco.
Unang-una, sobrang saya, hindi ko akalain na manalo ko talaga sa laban. Grabe yung hilo, naramdaman ko, hindi ko akalain na bumagsak ako. Buti nga, na-recover eh. Talagang tinatagbo-tagbo ko lang muna. Hindi ko sinasabayan kasi nahilo pa talaga ako. Una-una nagpapasalamat sa taas, hindi ako pinabayan sa laban. At sa manager ko, Daniel Orte. Thank you.
Next week on Manny Pacquiao presents Blow by Blow.
he has been moving constantly. Lateral movement. Natamaan siya sa katawan ni Trinidad. Trinidad's coming in. I think he's got Echo hurt. Echo's not moving around. And there he goes down. It's a shot to the body. It's a shot to the body. And the mouthpiece is out of his mouth. Echo's writhing in pain. It's going to be over. A shot to the body. And it's Trinidad by a sensational victory by knockout. Well, at the start of round number 4, hindi na gumalaw si Echo. Or in the last 5 rounds, ito po nangyari. Yun, a shot to the I thought it was a solar plexus punch. There it is. A shot to the rib cage. A shot to the rib cage na klarong-klaro. But at that point, hindi na gumagalaw si Echo eh. So when he stood his ground and fought toe-to-toe, yun ang nangyari. Tinamaan siya. Diyan po magwawakas ang ating episode ng Manny Pacquiao Presents Blow by Blow in partnership with San Miguel Beer. Again, we hope you enjoyed that exciting series of fights. 3 fights na napanood po natin. And ending with that sensational victory by Hernando over Taneo. Ito po si Ginito Henson. Nagpapaalam. See you again next time on Blow by Blow.